PhiSci scholars from the different municipalities of Misamis Oriental, we would like to thank our good and generous Governor, Governor Bambi Emano, for the tablets that we will receive today. We are very fortunate that we have become recipients of this assistance initiated by the Office of the Governor. This will be a great help as we face the challenges and demands of the new normal in education. Though we are facing a lot of uncertainties, the mere knowledge of the fact that you are supporting us gives us strength and motivation to push forward, to strive and do our best as a PhiSci scholar. Though sometimes we may fall, we will rise again knowing that Miss Or cares. From this day onwards, we will face every battle with pride, bearing the colors of Misamis Oriental, and hoping that one day we will bring you honor and make all of you proud. And when that day comes, we will look back to this day and remember your happy faces. Happy Valentine's Day to all of you, most especially to Governor Bambi. Daghang salamat.